Guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the menu language of a Mercedes C Class 2013 model, a W205. I'm going to show you how you can do that for yourself. I had some inquiries about this one and I just wanted to share this with you. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 300 other videos on how to preset different model cars. Some cool stuff, some tips and tricks. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. First of all, press or turn the ignition to the second position. All the lights on the odometer must go on. Then we're gonna use this area. Yes, to use this area you have to scroll or turn with this one. Find the settings of the vehicle, so go to vehicle, press on the wheel button, then you have to press this down. When you press this down you'll get this over here, otherwise it's not visible. Once you are here, system settings, and as you can see the language, you can change it to the desired one. After you change it, press on it, and as you can see it changes. Go back for the desired language, and that's how you do it. To get out of this menu, just press the return button over here. Leave this menu, yes. Once you are here you can go to the different menu. Let's find out again. Go to the vehicle area, press it, and the trick was to go like this, system settings, and then you'll find the changes, change menu for different options, and the language option that you'll see here. That was it. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.